Long before you time, our ancestors healed their kidneys naturally. They had roots, leaves, seeds, and simple meals. Because your kidneys are like filters in a coffee machine. They work quietly every hour, every day. And when they start to clog, your body feels it before you even know what hit it. Here are some foods that will help your kidneys heal and clean themselves naturally. Number 1. Low oxalate vegetables. Celery helps your body flush excess waste without overloading your system. Asparagus supports healthy fluid balance and helps prevent buildups. Cabbage cools down internal inflammation that may stress your kidneys. Bell peppers add color and avoid heavy mineral loads that strain your filters. Stay tuned because the next group of foods might already be sitting in your kitchen. Number 2. Magnesium-rich foods. Pumpkin seeds, avocados, and leafy greens deliver magnesium, a mineral often missing in modern diets. Magnesium supports healthy blood vessels and helps your kidneys get better circulation. When your circulation improves, your filters work less like clogged pipes and more like smooth, clean drains. Next, we turn to the kind of protein your kidneys actually like. Number 3. Moderate high-quality protein and good fats. Wild fish, whole eggs, and olive oil bring nutrients your kidneys can use without overloading them. Your filters do not hate protein, they hate heavy waste from poor quality sources. Clean fats support cell repair inside your kidney tissue, and when you pick portion size right, you give your system strength, not stress. But knowing what to avoid is just as important. Number 4. Foods and habits that silently harm your filters. Sugar hides everywhere, in dried fruit, healthy juices, and processed snacks. High sugar means higher insulin, more inflammation, and tighter blood vessels. Your kidneys then get extra workload and begin to lose ground. Also, processed foods and salty meals cause strain without adding nourishment. A simple swap can make a difference, and the next one can start today. Number 5. The daily habits that support kidney healing. Drink enough water, but not in giant gulps that your kidneys must chase. Sipping with a pinch of mineral, like a little lemon or salt, helps your system flush out toxins smoothly. Move your body a little each day to keep circulation alive. And replace one problematic snack this week with seeds or raw veggies that hydrate and cleanse without excess sugar. These are small steps, but they add up fast. Your kidneys do not need perfection. They need real food, steady care, and time. And when you combine the right vegetables, the right minerals, the right proteins, and the right habits, you give your filters a chance to breathe again. Thank you for reading this. Please leave a comment with the country you are from and if you would like to share your own situation.